I'm going to show you the milk parlor. So every single day the cows come in here to get milked, and as you can see they line up in here, and then this equipment gets hooked to them and it draws the milk out of them. So I thought since we're in the milk parlor we could do a little experiment called magic milk. So for our experiment you need milk, dish soap, food coloring, Q-tips, and a shallow dish. So first I'm going to dump some milk in the bottom of my dish. Then I'm going to add food coloring. Some green food coloring. And then a little blue. Next, I am going to put a little dish soap on the end of my Q-tip. And while I'm doing this, I want you to think about what is going to happen whenever I put the soap in the milk. Ready? So it completely moves all of the food coloring, and this is because of the protein and fat in the milk. It's really sensitive to any changes, so whenever you put the soap in the water, it makes all of the food coloring disperse, which is really the milk moving. Here are little baby calves. They are just babies, and after they are born, they come live in a little hut. He's gonna come out and say hello.